Ready to rock there, Columbo?
Yeah, thank you.
All right, buddy. It's 3:59 time.
Jamming gears in a 9-speed hood, I'd pull it in if I knew I could. The old truck stop's been gone a long time, so kick it in the rear and put the hammer down.
Let's get this show on the road, shall we?
18 wheels just laying it down, and you can hear that humming sound. Pouring coal from a bright chrome stack, riding soft like a Cadillac. It's my life, it's my love, it's my Peterbilt 359.
I'm watching you guys.
That's just stinking cool. Oh, hey, welcome back to the channel. Dane Scott, Dane Scott's Truckers Lounge. So, I decided maybe to give you guys a little bit of a ride along in the new Pete 359, affectionately now known as Joyride. So I decided I'm going to have a different intro when I drive the Pete, because normally I have the driving my GMC intro, and the GMCs are here, and you guys don't fret, you know. Some of you guys think, oh, he's a traitor, you know, he doesn't like GMCs anyway. No, negative, not the case. Love my GMCs, my Cracker Box, and my Astro, Blue Jay, and trust me, we've got some great days ahead with them, but the 359 is what I picked up, and the latest, so that's where we're going right now. So anyhow, some of you guys wanted to drive along, and sometimes the remarks are, you know, cut the music, cut this out. We want to hear the engine, we want to hear the ride along, so this video is going to be going out and getting some fuel at Truckworld the other day with my sidekick and my boy there, Columbo. He likes Lieutenant Columbo, so he does that a lot. So that's what we call him. So just took a drive out, got some fuel, and you can hear the sound of the sweet Cummins 400 chugging along, which you'll hear even better because I've got some pipes coming. She's going to be straight piped. Yeah. Got to have straight pipes, and we're getting the jakes fixed. We found some wiring issues, so we're going to fix those. Got some new parts ordered, so it's going to be good over the winter. Going to be working on that 359 and tying up some loose ends and probably some stuff with the Blue Jay. So winter's here, fall's here. I've tried to get some cool trucks with the fall foliage. So sit back, get that strong trucker's coffee. Got to have that. Drink some coffee, put your slippers on, sit back in your favorite chair, and take a ride in Joyride, my Peterbilt 359.
That's good.
you guys are out chasing trucks and trailers like I am, and you're up here in the north, you are experiencing the frigid temperatures this time of year. This is a jacket that is actually heated. See this little red dial right here? It's put on the warmest temperature. You can put it kind of medium and low. But I don't know why someone didn't invent this sooner, but I love this jacket, Venustus. And if you guys are interested in something like this, look down in the comments. I'll put the links there. And they've even offered to give a discount coupon if you're one of my subscribers and you come to them through the channel. So go ahead and check it out, see if it's something you're interested in. I highly endorse it because it's nice and warm when I'm out in the cold chasing trucks and trailers. Yeah, I got Lieutenant Columbo joining me today.
Yeah.
Ready to rock there, Columbo?
Yeah, thank you.
All right, buddy.